Investing is important, but you should do it with a plan. Here's how to make your investments goal-based. Start by defining what you're investing for. Are you focused on a short-term goal, like a new laptop or family holiday? Or a medium-term goal, like buying your first apartment? Maybe you're working towards a long-term goal, like a child's tertiary education or your retirement. Key questions are: how much risk are you comfortable with? And when will you need access to your money? A long-term plan means you can consider higher risk investing because a few market ups and downs are manageable over time. If you're investing towards a short-term goal, consider reducing your risk exposure. You also need to have a plan when it comes to how much you contribute. The more you can afford to invest each month, the faster you'll reach your goal. And while you should always stick to your plan, it's important to accept that life happens. A boost in income, shifting priorities, or additional expenses might change your contributions, your timelines, or both. The most important thing is to keep going. Even short-term goals require discipline, and staying the course will see you reach your bigger ones too. Whatever your goal and whatever your plan, just start with Satrix now. Download the app today.